what is up? For those who do not know how to change their shower head, I'm gonna show you guys how to change it. I just unscrewed it right now, so I'm gonna get it set up and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together, okay? Boom. You're gonna take this and you're gonna tighten it up real tight so it doesn't have any leaks, okay? You're gonna take this piece, you're gonna stick it, there we go, in here, and you're gonna tighten it up. Jesus Christ. There we go. You're gonna tighten it up real tight, real tight. And there should be 3 prongs if you have this this type. I can't say a word. Okay. You're gonna do that same process. Alright? I did the wrong way. Let me switch these around. When setting up, make sure you guys have the Teflon tape with you so you can wrap it around the shower thing. Alright, now that that's finished, I'm going to attach it to this part. Okay. We're gonna attach, you see that tape right there? That's where the tape goes. I'm gonna set the camera down and show you guys how to do it. There y'all go. Okay. Yeah, okay. Boom. That's how you set up your dorm shower head.